This question is from GATE, Mechanical Engineering of 2013. This is question number 45. The question is, the probability that a student knows the correct answer to a multiple choice question is 2 by 3. If the student does not know the answer, then the student guesses the answer. The probability of guessed answer being correct is 1 by 4. Given that the student has answered the question correctly, the conditional probability that the student knows the correct answer is, so we need to find the probability that the student knows the correct answer. Let A be the event that student answers correctly. Let E1 be the event that student knows the answer. Knows the correct answer. Let E2 be the event that the student guesses the answer. Guesses the correct answer. Okay. So according to the problem, it's given PE E1 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, it's given in the problem. Therefore, PE2 will be 1 by 3. Right? Now by conditional probability, we know that P of A, that is the student answers correctly, will be equal to PE1 multiplied by P of A E by E1. That means the student is answering correctly when he knows the correct answer. He or she knows the correct answer. Plus PE2, that means the probability that the student guessed the answer multiplied by P, the probability that the student answered correctly given that he or she guessed the answer. Okay, so this is how we write the conditional probability. Okay, so this is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by, now PA by E1, so this will be equal to 1, because if the student knows the answer E1, that means he will answer correctly, plus 1 by 3 PE2 1 by 3 multiplied by PA by E2 is given in the problem is 1 by 4. Okay, so I forgot to write here. It's also given P. See, here it is given the probability that guessed answer being correct is 1 by 4. So that means the student is answering correct, but it is a guessed answer, that is 1 by 4. Okay, so this value, so from here PA is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now we can use the Bayes theorem to find that P, the probability that the student knows the correct answer, that means he answered correctly and he knows the answer, is given by P E1 multiplied by P A by E1 divided by PA. Okay, so PE1 is 2 by 3, it's given in the problem, and of course he knows the answer, so he will answer correctly. So 1 divided by 3 by 4, we just found out the value of PA, so this value is 8 by 9. Okay, so P E1 by A, that means E1 is student knows the answer and A is student answers correctly. Okay, that means the conditional probability that the student knows the correct answer is option D, 8 by 9. For more information on conditional probability and Bayes theorem, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 3, Independent Events, Bayes theorem on Discrete Mathematics by Dr. Sujata Gangopadhyay and Dr. Aditi Gangopadhyay of the Department of Mathematics at IIT Roorkee. You won't be finding conditional probability here. You can watch the consecutive lectures for that.